Welcome to the grand theater of technology, where Tesla, NVIDIA, and Apple play colossal roles. These companies shape our future, from self-driving cars to AI brains and shiny gadgets. Tesla, NVIDIA, and Apple constantly make moves that send ripples across financial markets and our lives. Tesla is about electric cars and one man's Twitter account. NVIDIA holds the keys to the AI kingdom. Apple can make global markets wobble with a single product announcement. Understanding their current predicaments affects us all. Let's talk about Tesla's latest grand plan. Robotaxis, self-driving taxis summoned by an app launching in Austin, Texas. Elon Musk promises a revolution in transportation. Imagine fewer cars, less traffic, and more time for passengers. For Tesla, it's about creating a new revenue stream, a fleet of Teslas generating income 24/7. The potential market is vast, but the road to robotaxi utopia is challenging. Fully autonomous driving in urban environments is still a monumental challenge. Regulatory hurdles, safety concerns, and public acceptance are significant obstacles. Tesla isn't the only company dreaming of robotaxis. Waymo and Cruise have been at this for years with limited services. Tesla's announcement is bold but comes with a dose of skepticism. The ambition is undeniable, but execution is where the real story unfolds. Tesla's stock behaves like a volatile cryptocurrency. The robotaxi announcement caused a stir among analysts. Some see it as the key to immense future value, while others remain skeptical. The challenges are technological, regulatory, and societal. Full self-driving technology is still a Level 2 driver assistance system. The leap to true autonomy is massive. Tesla's path forward is a tightrope walk between groundbreaking disruption and significant hurdles. Investors debate whether Elon Musk is a visionary or a showman. Tesla will continue to be one of the most talked about stocks. Let's shift gears to NVIDIA, the king of the AI boom. NVIDIA's GPUs, originally for video games, are now crucial for AI. They invested early in software and development tools like CUDA. The demand for NVIDIA's AI chips is staggering. Cloud providers and researchers are snapping them up. NVIDIA's hardware powers applications from drug discovery to climate modeling. Their stock price has soared, making them one of the most valuable companies. Competition is increasing, with rivals like AMD and Intel stepping up. Major cloud players are developing their own custom silicon. NVIDIA knows they can't rest on their laurels. NVIDIA's financial performance has been breathtaking. Their data center segment has seen incredible growth. Strategic partnerships are key to their success. However, with great power comes great scrutiny. Valuation concerns and the cyclical nature of the semiconductor industry are significant. Competition from AMD, Intel, and custom AI chips from cloud providers is growing. Geopolitical risks like tensions with Taiwan and export controls add complexity. NVIDIA must navigate this tricky landscape carefully. The present looks bright, but the future holds both opportunities and challenges. They are the leader, but the race is far from over. NVIDIA's success depends on flawless execution. The AI hardware space is becoming increasingly competitive. Apple's tariff turmoil, an unwelcome bite from global politics. Apple isn't immune to international politics, specifically tariffs. Tariffs on goods imported from China could increase costs for Apple. Apple faces a choice: absorb costs or pass them on to consumers. Higher prices could dampen demand in an uncertain economic climate. The stock market reacts nervously to tariff threats. Apple's global supply chain and sales in key markets are at risk. Global trade is a delicate dance with real consequences. Apple's supply chain scramble, navigating the geopolitical maze. The threat of tariffs highlights Apple's supply chain vulnerability. Apple is under pressure to diversify its manufacturing footprint. Shifting production to countries like India and Vietnam takes years. The geopolitical climate affects Apple's sales, particularly in China. Rising nationalism and potential retaliatory measures add complexity. Apple must maintain good relations with governments on both sides. The era of chasing the lowest manufacturing cost is waning. Apple navigates a new era of uncertainty where business and geopolitics intertwine. The wider market mood. Gauging the tech temperature. Major stock market indexes have been on a roller coaster. Optimism about AI-driven growth competes with worries about inflation and economic slowdowns. Upcoming earnings reports from big tech firms are crucial. Companies like Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta are major players in AI and cloud computing. Their results will provide clues about the tech sector's health. The Magnificent Seven tech stocks have driven market gains. concerns about market breadth arise if these giants stumble. Investor sentiment remains cautiously optimistic but nervous. The tech world will continue to be a source of fascination and frustration. Conclusion: the Titans Tango and investor intuition. Tesla's Robotaxi plans in Austin could redefine urban transport. NVIDIA is the heavyweight champion of the AI world. Apple's tariff woes highlight the impact of global politics. These tech giants' moves affect shareholders and the market. Their ambitions drive innovation, but challenges create uncertainty. Investors must read the tea leaves and weigh risks against rewards. The tech world will continue to be a source of endless fascination and fortune.